Tip of the day: how to set up the Liquidations Heatmap using different leverage tiers to find confluence and spot key differences. Start by opening two heat maps side by side. Make sure both use the same ticker and lookback period. Now let's dive into leverage-specific insights. On the first chart, open Tool Settings and go to the Leverages section. You'll see 5 tiers, from L1 to L5, where L1 represents the highest leverage positions and L5 the lowest. For the first heat map, select L1 and L2, focusing on traders using high and ultra-high leverage. Click Apply. Now on the second chart, choose L4 and L5. This filters for low and lowest leverage positions. Hit Apply again. You'll notice something important. High leverage clusters tend to form closer to price, great for spotting short-term trade zones and quick entries or exits. Meanwhile, lower leverage clusters sit farther from price, often revealing longer-term setups or stronger conviction levels. Use this dual view setup to compare tiers, find confluence zones, and better understand how traders of all sizes are positioned.